Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It's been a few months since I've posted last and I apologize for that, so thank you everyone for being patient. But today we're going to bring it back to some of the basics and we're going to go over a video that I did in the past, and that video is going to be how to change your text size when you dimension in AutoCAD. So a very common issue within AutoCAD is you will want to dimension something, maybe a square, a rectangle, any shape, and the dimension text size is really small, practically invisible. So there's an easy way to fix this, and again, I've already created a video, but we're going to go ahead and revisit that within AutoCAD 2026. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get into it. Real quick, before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. This gives me a good idea of how well the videos are doing. If you like the video or you find it helpful, give it a like down below. If you think someone else could find this video helpful, give it a share. And if you want to see anything else done in AutoCAD or DWG TrueView, leave it in the comment section below. Alright, so this is a fairly common problem that you'll see within AutoCAD, and it's a fairly easy solution to fix. So with this square right here, this is going to be our example. It's a 10-inch by 10-inch square. And to show you the problem that occurs, we're going to come up to the dimension button right here in the annotation box. We're going to left click. We're going to come here into this corner. And as you can see here, or as you can't see, you have a dimension that's tiny in that between the arrows. So we'll scroll in. And as you can see here, it's 10 inches, but when I move out to see the actual object, I can't see the size of the dimension text. So we're going to escape. To fix this, we're going to come up to the annotation box, this little drop down button right here. We're going to left click, and then we're going to left click on this box that's for the dimension style. Once you left click there, it's going to bring up the dimension style manager, and we're going to go ahead and modify. Once you click modify, it should bring you directly to text, but if it doesn't, if you're on lines or symbols and arrows, come over to the text function right here, and we're going to come down to what is known as text height right here, and we're going to change that. As you can see, it's 0.05 inches. We're going to change it to 0.5 inches. Click enter, and then the draw frame around text sometimes is also checked. We're going to make sure that's not checked because we just don't want it for this. We're going to come down here and click OK. We're going to click close. And as you can see here, it updated that small number or that small text number all the way up to what we wanted, which was around 0.5 inches. So again, this is the quick and dirty way to do that. All right, so say you have a text style dimension that is a little bit bigger than what you'd like. Maybe it's not normal for whatever reason. You want to change it even quicker to that 0.5 that we just did. All you're going to do is left-hand click it, double left click, and it will pull up this text editor box. Now, we're going to come here, we're going to select all of it, and then we're going to come down here to this drop down, and we're going to come back to 0.5. And then once we've clicked the 0.5, we're going to come over here to close text editor. And as you can see, now it's back to the 0.5 that it initially was. I'll create another video to show you how to create new text styles so you can choose between certain ones to toggle for different projects. But for right now, these are the two easiest and quickest ways to change the text size. Alright, so that's going to wrap up the video here. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for being patient on the little hiatus I took recently with not posting any videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.